frog, what we're going to do first is the tongue, and then the eye lenses. You're going to have to peel the tongue up a bit and kind of pry open his jaw. That is the tongue. You can put that on your part sheet. Now we're going for the eye lenses. I'm going to kind of cut the eyelids a bit, not peel them up. A very simple way to get the eyeball out is just using the tweezers. Just kind of reaching in there. Just kind of twist it a bit. And kind of, yeah, I kind of broke his eye. Oh, it doesn't help it. Lens. It's just the hard part inside the eye. It'll look kind of like that, like a clearish or yellowish color. I'll get the other one real quick. I'll just stab his eye. There's the other eye lens, just like that. Now we're going to move on to the insides of the frog. So we have to cut off its extra skin and get the fat bodies. I find it easier to cut it open and do everything in there if you just remove that layer of skin. So now on the fat bodies, cut that open. And the fat bodies, they insulate the frog to keep itself from the cold. This one seems to be pretty chunky. So right here is a female, as you can see by the eggs. Okay. And now female because the eggs are only in the female's rock, so it's not in the males. See these little like flower looking things? Those are the fat bodies. Just kind of trying to remove as much eggs as we can. There's a lot of them. You put those on your part sheet. It's going to make it a little more difficult than doing a male. Yeah, let's get out of the way. This is one of the fat bodies with some eggs on it. You put that on your part sheet. The other one is located on the other side. So right here is the large intestine. Can you cut that off from the small intestines? The large intestine stores undigested food. This is the small intestine. Right here. Put those two on a part sheet. These bluish and kind of grayish things right here, these are its liver. Actually, my liver and the frog, they're both used now for the other one. It's part of it. Put that on our part sheet. This right here, that was connected to the small and large intestines, is the stomach. Cut that off as high as you can get it. Now put that on your part sheet. Now, so the things that kind of look like raisins, those are the lungs. And this right here, that looks pretty similar to that. Tongue is the heart. So first we're going to cut out the lungs. The frog's heart pumps oxygen and rich blood to organs such as the brain, liver, and kidneys. Put the lungs on your part sheet. According to the heart. Put that on your part sheet. Okay, so what we're going to pull out next is the kidneys, spleen, and the gallbladder. Kind of look around, then you'll find the spleen right around where the stomach was located. You can put that on your part sheet. The kidneys are back here. The kidneys remove waste products from the blood and produce urine. So the kidneys back here. Gonna rip one of them. You'll put those on your part sheet. So now for the final one, we're going to do the brain. This one might be a little hard, but you can just use the eye sockets to help you a bit. So for the brain, you're just going to have to kind of cut through a little bit of bone, and it'll be just right under there. And then in frog brain, they both gonads, or the intestines, they produce sperm. The frog and human respiratory system both have a trachea, larynx, and bronchial tubes.